Steier, and I graduated from Oshkosh West in 2019, and then I'll be starting at UWO next year, and I'm a Youth Apprenticeship at Parkview. The relationships that I made with the residents is really truly remarkable, and something that I've never been able to really explore without this job. It's really allowed me my people skills and just really how to work hard and make a lot of money while doing so.
My name is Marlia Coyler-Grayheck, and I'm the administrator here at Parkview Health Center. While healthcare, as well as all industries, are facing a critical workforce shortage right now, so participating in the Youth Apprenticeship program gives employers access to student workers that they might not otherwise have. Also, it's great to work with students because they bring a fresh perspective, they're excited to learn, and they can continue to grow with your organization as they advance their careers.
Parkview is actually a very good facility. It's very flexible with hours, the people are really awesome, and it's overall just a really nice place to work. Parkview is actually really flexible with my hours, so they will allow me to work after class or just on the weekends or pretty much whenever I want to. I either want to become a nurse or something in the medical field, so I thought this would be a good job to really explore what I want to become.
So we accept students under the age of 18 as long as they're 16 years old and have a certified nursing assistant certification. I recommend anybody who is wanting to explore the medical field to start by working as a certified nursing assistant, and as a CNA at Parkview, you're going to be exposed to a wide array of medical care. The Youth Apprenticeship program has been a great addition to us at Parkview. We love having the students, and the residents love seeing their fresh faces and being part of their learning experience.
Just really give it a try and just really look into it, because I think you'll actually really like it.